Sure. Here's a recipe for Pad Hoi Lai, stir-fried clams with chili, a delicious Thai seafood dish. Ingredients: 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, fresh clams, scrubbed and cleaned. 3 to 4 cloves garlic, minced. 3 to 4 bird's eye chilies, chopped, adjust to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 cup chicken broth or water. 1/2 cup Thai basil leaves. 1 red bell pepper, sliced, optional. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Lime wedges, for serving. Instructions. Prepare the ingredients. Scrub and clean the clams thoroughly. Mince the garlic and chop the chilies. Slice the red bell pepper if using. Pick the Thai basil leaves off the stems. Sauté the aromatics. Heat the vegetable oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic and chopped chilies, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add the clams. Add the clams to the wok and stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes until they start to open. Add the seasonings. Stir in the oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. Mix well to coat the clams evenly. Add the broth. Pour in the chicken broth or water. Cover the wok and let the clams steam for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until most of the clams have opened. Discard any clams that remain closed. Add the vegetables and herbs. If using, add the sliced red bell pepper and stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add the Thai basil leaves and stir until wilted. Serve. Transfer the stir-fried clams to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro and serve with lime wedges on the side. Pad Hoi Lai, or stir-fried clams with chili, is a popular Thai seafood dish known for its bold flavors and spicy kick. This dish is a favorite among seafood lovers in Thailand and is often enjoyed as part of a larger meal. Key elements. Clams. Main ingredient. The dish primarily features fresh clams, which are stir-fried until they just open, ensuring they remain tender and juicy. The natural brininess of the clams pairs perfectly with the spicy and aromatic sauce. Aromatics and spices. Garlic and chilies. Minced garlic and bird's eye chilies form the aromatic base of the dish, providing heat and depth of flavor. The amount of chili can be adjusted according to taste, making the dish as spicy as desired. Thai basil. This herb adds a fragrant, slightly sweet note that balances the heat from the chilies and the savory flavors of the sauces. Sauces and seasonings. Oyster sauce. Adds a rich umami flavor and slight sweetness. Soy sauce and fish sauce. Provides saltiness and depth. Sugar. Used to balance the savory and spicy elements, creating a harmonious flavor profile. Preparation and cooking. The preparation of Pad Hoi Lai is relatively quick, making it a popular choice for a fast and flavorful meal. The clams are stir-fried with the aromatics and then combined with the sauces, creating a savory and spicy dish. The addition of chicken broth or water helps to create a light sauce that coats the clams, enhancing their natural flavors. Serving. Pad Hoi Lai is typically served hot, garnished with fresh cilantro and lime wedges. The lime adds a fresh, zesty contrast to the rich and spicy clams. It is often accompanied by steamed jasmine rice, which helps to balance the strong flavors and provides a neutral base. Cultural significance. In Thai cuisine, seafood dishes like Pad Hoi Lai are highly appreciated for their freshness and vibrant flavors. This dish exemplifies the Thai culinary principles of balancing spicy, salty, sweet, and sour flavors. It is commonly enjoyed in coastal regions of Thailand, where fresh seafood is abundant. Overall, Pad Hoi Lai is a delightful and flavorful dish that showcases the best of Thai seafood cuisine, combining fresh clams with aromatic spices and herbs to create a memorable and satisfying meal.